Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down prerequisites you actually need: mobility, breathing, and a basic hollow hold. Do a quick mobility check, thoracic rotation and hip flexion, so your technique won't compensate. Next, practice diaphragmatic breathing to brace the core. It stabilizes your spine during progressions. Then perform 3 sets of hollow holds for 20 to 40 seconds with 1 to 2 minutes rest. Once done, you'll have a safe baseline to load more demanding gymnastic core skills. Now you layer in progressions and strength. This is the complex middle. Begin moving hollow holds into hollow rocks, then hollow to tuck transitions. These teach tension and dynamic control. Add anti-extension work like the ab wheel or controlled rollouts for 3 to 5 sets of 6 to 10 reps. This reduces belly sag under load. Make sure to balance with posterior chain exercises, Romanian deadlifts, or hip hinges 2 to 3 times weekly, because a strong back prevents core collapse. Once you feel control, increase range gradually. Finish by polishing skills and testing what you built. Test an L-sit for 10 to 20 seconds, strict toes to bar negatives, and record your max hollow hold time. If progress stalls, deload for 1 week every 6 to 8 weeks and prioritize hip and shoulder mobility so you can regain technique. Make sure to scale back if you feel anterior pelvic tilt or sharp pain. Regress to easier variations, re-emphasize diaphragmatic bracing, and consult a coach for form corrections before loading again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.